Today I am reviewing the MSI Thin A15 15.6-inch 144Hz FHD gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a powerful, sleek, and portable gaming laptop, the MSI Thin A15 is a standout choice. Designed for both gamers and content creators, this laptop combines high-performance hardware, fast display refresh rates, and cutting-edge graphics technology to deliver an immersive experience whether you're playing games, editing videos, or streaming content. Starting with performance, the MSI Thin A15 is powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 7535HS processor. With 6 cores and 12 threads, it delivers serious speed and power efficiency for gaming, multitasking, and creative workloads. Whether you're running demanding games, editing videos, or juggling multiple applications, this processor handles it smoothly without lag. Paired with 16GB of DDR5 RAM, multitasking is seamless, allowing you to switch between games, office tasks, and creative software without interruption. For storage, this laptop comes equipped with a 512GB NVMe SSD, offering fast boot times and quick access to your applications, games, and files. While 512GB is sufficient for many users, you also have the option to expand storage later if you need to store more games or large creative projects. The graphics performance is a major highlight. With the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 GPU, powered by NVIDIA's second-generation RTX architecture, you get stunning visuals, realistic ray-trace graphics, and advanced AI features. Games look more lifelike than ever, with smoother textures, improved lighting, and crisp details. For creators, the RTX 3050 accelerates rendering tasks, enhancing your workflow and productivity. The display on the MSI Thin A15 is a 15.6-inch Full HD panel with a 144Hz refresh rate. This high refresh rate ensures a fluid gaming experience, minimizing motion blur and providing a responsive feel during fast-paced games. The IPS technology delivers accurate colors and wide viewing angles, making it perfect not only for gaming, but also for content creation, streaming, or watching high-definition videos. MSI's intelligent technology further enhances the user experience. The system automatically optimizes performance for different tasks, balancing power consumption and efficiency. This ensures that you get the most out of your hardware, whether you're gaming at full throttle or working on creative projects. Combined with Windows 11 Home, the laptop feels modern, smooth, and easy to navigate. Connectivity is also well covered. With Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, you get fast, stable wireless connections for online gaming, streaming, or file transfers. The sleek black design makes it portable and stylish, while remaining thin enough to carry between home, work, or gaming sessions. In summary, the MSI Thin A15 15.6-inch gaming laptop is a perfect blend of performance, graphics, and portability. The combination of AMD Ryzen 5 7535HS, 16GB DDR5 RAM, RTX 3050 GPU, and 512GB NVMe SSD delivers excellent performance for gaming and creative tasks, while the 144Hz FHD display enhances every visual experience. Lightweight, powerful, and versatile, it's a laptop that can handle gaming, content creation, and everyday computing with ease. Whether you're a gamer seeking smooth, immersive gameplay or a creator needing a portable, high-performance device, the MSI Thin A15 provides the speed, visuals, and reliability to get the job done.